Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into a topic that's super exciting, especially if you're curious about Linux. We're talking about which Linux distro is right for you, a beginner's guide. So take a deep breath, settle in, and let's get started. All right, so first things first, understanding your needs. Before you pick a Linux distro, ask yourself, what do you really want out of your Linux experience? Are you after something super simple and user friendly, or are you um, the kind of person who loves diving into the details of customization? Maybe you're a gamer, a coder, or just looking to breathe new life into an older PC. Knowing what you need can make your decision a whole lot easier. I remember when I first got into Linux, like 15 years ago, it felt pretty overwhelming. I was bombarded with choices, and honestly, it was a lot to take in. I ended up choosing Ubuntu because it was the safe bet. And you know what? That lesson still holds true today. Sometimes going with a popular, well supported option is exactly what you need when you're starting out. Let's talk about some of the most popular Linux distros and what makes each one special. Ubuntu. This is the go to for many beginners. It's user friendly, comes with tons of documentation, and has a massive community to back you up when you need help. Linux Mint. If you're transitioning from Windows, Linux Mint offers a really cozy, familiar interface that makes the switch feel almost natural. Soren OS. Another excellent choice if you're coming from either Windows or Mac OS. It's polished, intuitive, and works really well right out of the box. Pop OS. Perfect for gamers and developers. This distro is optimized for performance and offers a clean, distraction free environment. Fedora. For those who are more tech savvy and love staying on the cutting edge, Fedora is great. It's backed by Red Hat and is known for its innovative approach and current software. Now, let's take a moment to consider your hardware. Your computer's specs play a huge role in your Linux experience. If you're working with an older or less powerful machine, you might want to check out lightweight distros like Lubuntu, Shubuntu, or even Zorin OS Lite. These can really breathe new life into an aging system. But if you've got a beefier setup, then going with something like PopTOS or Ubuntu will help you get the most out of your hardware. Another key factor is the balance between ease of use and customization. Some people just want a system that just works without a lot of fuss, and for them, Linux Mint or Ubuntu are perfect. But if you're the type who loves to get under the hood, tweak every setting, and make the system truly your own, then Fedora might just be more your speed. And let's not forget about community support. One of the absolute best things about Linux is its incredible community. Whether you're stuck on a technical problem or just looking for tips and tricks, communities around distros like Ubuntu, Linux Mint, and Fedora are always there for you. Forums, wikis, online tutorials, you name it. The support is just amazing and you'll never feel lost. Here's a cool tip: you don't have to commit right away. Thanks to live USBs and virtual machines, you can test out different distros without even installing them. It's like test driving a car before you buy it. And if you're feeling really adventurous, you can even set up a dual boot system to run Linux alongside Windows or Mac OS. Trust me, it's a great way to explore your options without any risk. So, to sum things up, think about what you need from your Linux experience, consider how much you want to tinker with your system, and check your hardware specs. For most beginners, starting with Ubuntu or Linux Mint is a solid, safe bet. They're stable, user friendly, and come with a mountain of resources to help you along the way. Remember, there's no one size fits all answer here. The best Linux distro is the one that feels right for you. So, take your time, experiment with a few, and eventually you'll find that perfect match that fits your lifestyle and needs. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. And hey, if you're really into Linux, drop a note about your favorite distro. I'd love to hear what works best for you. Until next time, happy computing and keep exploring.